Hi, hi guys. My name is Stella, and today we're playing Sakura School Tomatoes. But it's almost my birthday, so let's get started. I didn't even watch an ad. I'm gonna be so upset. I can be a police officer. Why? This thing is so free, actually. Oh my god, freaking kidding me.
Bakit nandyan ka?
Wow. Why? I'm so smart. I'm gonna use my IQ. Fine. So adorable. One IQ hack, I'm sorry. Oh my god. There are actually cute. Wait for the cutest one. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's shaking so. Oh my god, it's twins. There's a star actually in Philippines. Oh my god. It's so windy. So guys, this is so cute. Oh, I love that. Wait, next for the hairstyle. Wait, I need to. Oh my god. Hey yo! Hey yo! What the frick is that? Oh, Nike hack. It's almost bedtime. But it's almost gonna lag. Guys, it's so many ads. There's a new one. Oh my god, wait. This is gonna be so funny when I wear this. This is part 1, so do not. I'm gonna wear that for part 2. Don't laugh at me because, oh my god, I unlocked all of them. Finally, it takes so well. Okay. I want to give everybody a nice haircut. Come on. It's actually cute, I promise. I'm gonna wear that apple suit later. Yeah, actually. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you wear it. Ew. Come on, not the other eye.
Ito po, yung pagkapanalo.
What? It's so long. Wait a minute. Wait. This new one? There's an update? Wait, that's actually an update.
In over 30 years, Chairman, what you managed to build was very impressive. From just being a small clinic to building this
Dude! Oh. Please! Dude, I cannot have it. Is it in the back? Wait, this? I bet this is so cute. Oh my god, wait. Let me try this. Go to Oh. Wait, let's wear the apple. That's so cute. I bet this. Wait. This guy. Oh, this next. Wait, I forgot. I need to change my so come on, stop. No ads. I don't want a free ad. Come on. That looks beautiful. Oh my god. Love you too. So
Love you so much.
Huh?
Love you so much.
Love you.
I love so much.
I love you din so much.
Okay.
Ikaw nga din eh. Ay! Ay! Wait a minute. I have my... Oh, wait. We need a baby in there.
Bukas.
Oh, mga kawin. So, Neon City. What's that? No way. Oops. We need not to tap that. We need not to tap. We do not need that. Michael Jackson dad. Oop, 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 oop. Guys, I love 5,000 yen. I have 5,000 popularity.
Kasi may bagyo bukas. Pero sabi, ngayon po sa Camarines Norte. Pero pagka umulan po bukas, hindi ka pupunta rito.
Oh, Philippine Cafe. Philippine is
Ano parang po?
the Philippines
So, thank you so much.
is popular. So
Ang pinakakinig ka nila.
I love the Philippines. I love Philippines too.
Yan. Yan po, X100. Gamit po natin ang X100. Yan na po mga kaibigan. Subukan na sibay. Subukan na ito. Salamat
Can I please have a cooking show? 10 pizzas.
po mga kaibigan.
Thank you.
Tutukan po sa atin yan. Ito pong X100. At meron po sana ako. Yan o. Okay. Kahit ano ba ito? Ano?
What is the?
Sa loob ng 2 years,
What is the? Thank you. You have to be kidding me. This is so cute.
Sa loob ba eh? So, alam na. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Ang alat ng bibig ko. Ang alat.
Why nobody is from the Philippines except for my mom and dad and my two brothers and my dog. I'm just joking. There's so many people. Bye. What the hell? I am up here. Is there a ghost? Is there a ghost? Excuse me.
Ay! Love you.
Love you too.
Aray ko! Jojoke lang. Tingin nga ng mukha.
So we're unlocking everything.
Hindi na pinaglalaroan mo na naman labi ko, ha? Pinaglaruan mo na naman. Pati mata ko pinaglalaroan mo. So kaya paglaruan ko pagtulog ikaw, ha? Paglaruan din kita? Kiss mo nga ako.
So guys, boy. Pangit mo?
Hit you.